The Schumann Resonance chart right now is frozen, and it's been like that for over 14 hours. The energies right now, well, I think we're definitely feeling them, and there's definitely quite a bit of energy happening right now, and strange things happening to people when they sleep. So, by all means, of course, I'm gonna break it down, talk about what everyone's going through, and of course, give you this big energy update. Hope you guys are doing so good. Joe Sky, back at it again with another energy update for you. So we're in this station right now, SOS 70, so you guys get the most up-to-date data. The last time we had data was on August 4th, nearly 18 hour 18, which is about 6 a.m. So, you know, that's a lot of hours we haven't had data. And I'm going to break down this data that did come in. I did upload a YouTube short if I'm not mistaken. I uploaded on Instagram as well. For about 4 hours from hour 12 to 16, we had this huge concentration of energy come in, hitting an amplitude of 55, powerful energy. Then after that, it just froze. I already told you guys that there's been so many tech issues. Well, guess what? There's a lot of tech issues, a lot of data dropping out on the other charts and other things like that. Um, you witnessed it on the other stream we did, and of course, there's been a lot of technological glitches, big spectrums down, all that stuff, like a lot of things happening. So there's definitely things going on right now. And around this period where the energies are amplified and getting more and more amplified, well, more things happen. So it's frozen. Does that mean there's a blackout? We don't know. Does that mean it's spiking going intense? Could be. We won't know until data gets recovered. How long? I have no idea. But right now, huge energy came in and then it froze. So I'll keep you guys updated. Next, we have, let's get to space weather. Well, KP is pretty low right now. Everything else is pretty calm. For solar flare activity, we had a few C-class solar flares. We have no radio blackout or anything. We have basically one new sunspot region, 4503. And it's pretty small. We have two coronal holes. This one on this, that's a small one. I don't think that's going to be transequatorial. There's the time, it's August 5th. We got another coronal hole that's north. That could bring solar winds. We have a big one forming up here though. And we do have a lot of coolness on the sun now. It looks like it is getting really cool right now. Um, yeah, I don't see too much big solar activity coming, but anything could happen. Um, but the main thing right now is the cooling. It's definitely cooling down right now. So I don't see a big huge push in sunspots. But I definitely see some coronal holes forming up. Earthquake data, let's take a look. We got big ones in America right now. Largest one was in Ternate in Indonesia. Man, they are definitely getting hit with some pretty big earthquakes in the Indonesia area, Papua New Guinea, all that stuff. Alright, let's put our focus on the US. Let's take a look at all of them. Could there may be an amplification, right? 222 earthquakes. Interesting. I don't know if you guys see that because of various things, but it's 222. Let's take a look. All right, 126, but we got them in weird places like Tennessee and Missouri. Look at all the earthquakes in Texas, Utah, Nevada, a lot in California, and these are some big ones. We got a 4.0 in Covelo, California. Got quite a bit of earthquakes there. So yeah, definitely big earthquakes for sure. We got the Italian Schumann Resonance. Now there has been earthquakes in strange areas, by the way, but I'm not a professional here, and if they're not in the United States, I'm not too experienced to really break them down. But it depends though. Italian Schumann Resonance. Big push right now. So this was all around midday. This was like early morning to late, very late. All this huge concentration of energy. Now, this is the daily strips chart. So this was July 31st. If you see my mouse, the second strip from the bottom is August 1st, August 2nd, 3rd, 4th, yesterday. Huge push. We're in the 5th right now. So that's why it's all gray here, because the data is loading in, right? We're progressing through the day. So huge push in energy every day except August 1st. But every day there's been a big push of energy on the Comuna Italy. All right, so that is our data right now. Quite a bit of energy coming in. Charts frozen. I will have to keep you guys um, updated, as I will. People are definitely feeling tired. People are, um, sleepy. They're waking up and they're feeling light. Has that happened to you? Have you felt weird stuff at nighttime? Have you been struggling to sleep, struggling to fall back asleep? Have the dreams been really weird, vivid, telling you something about your past? Or maybe something you're thinking about in the future? The dreams have really have changed, honestly. Like, I'm literally dreaming about things that I'm thinking about in the future. I'm thinking about it. You got dreams from the past or past situations showing up differently. So a lot happening right now, a lot happening. So if you're definitely feeling um, odd at nighttime when you're sleeping, well, you're not alone. There's a lot of people right now definitely struggling right now. Um, I hope you guys are all doing good. Make sure to have a good circadian rhythm. Get natural sunlight or light from outside once you wake up. Do that. At nighttime, make it as dark as possible and try to spend like 20 minutes or so just meditating or something and sleep. Make sure you're comfortable, your head feels soft against the pillow. Maybe you need to change your pillow. That's what worked for me, literally. I'm not even lying. If I sleep in like hard sheets that are uncomfortable, I can't sleep. Period. If the pillow's uncomfortable, I can't sleep. Other than that, um, big energy coming in, and hopefully you guys definitely got something out of this. Make sure to hit like and subscribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless.